Do you know that when someone called you, you can know by using your Telegram app? Let me show you how to do it. Go to your Telegram and go to your saved message, and in your saved message write the phone number you want to know his identity. Okay, for example, the phone number I want to know is this one. It's random, by the way. Okay, then go back and just click on the phone number. You see, like this. It's so easy, it's very easy. With this method you can know the phone number and the identity, the phone number's identity, and the person who called you, the person who messaged you, and the number who you want to know his identity. Okay, it was all about today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment in the comment section. Bye.